Hey everyone, I am Mahi and welcome my YouTube channel. তো আমি আপনাদেরকে একটা কথা বলতে চাই। প্রথমেই এটা কথা আমি বলে দিচ্ছি যে আমার কোশ্চেনগুলো আগে থেকেই টিক করানো আছে, ঠিক আছে। এটা শুধু আমি রিভিশন পারপাসের জন্য ভিডিও করছি, প্র্যাকটিসের জন্য না। প্র্যাকটিসের জন্য ভিডিও আমি সন্ধ্যাবেলায় না হলে কালকে সকালে আমি আপলোড করে দিব, এডিট কমপ্লিট হলেই আপলোড করে দিব। এটা শুধু রিভিশন পারপাসের জন্য। তো চলো কোশ্চেন নাম্বার 1 থেকে আমরা স্টার্ট করি। Question number 1. What is the main function of the human heart? Here, right option is option B, to pump blood throughout the body. Question number 2. Which organ is responsible for the exchange of gases in the human body? Here, right option is option B, lungs. Question number 3. Which internal organ control the overall coordination and communication of the body? Here, right option is option B, brain. Question number 4. Which part of the digestive system is mainly responsible for nutrient absorption? Here, right option is option C, small intestine. Question number 5. Which organ remove waste product and excess water from the blood? Here, right option is option C, kidney. Question number 6. Which internal organ store bile produced by the liver? Here, correct option is option A, gallbladder. Question number 7. Which part of the brain control balance and coordination? Here, correct option is option B, cerebellum. Question number 8. Which organ is known as the chemical factory of the body? Here, correct option is option A, liver. Question number 9. Which gland regulate metabolism in the human body? Here, correct option is option A, thyroid gland. Question number 10. Which organ helps in detoxifying harmful substances from the blood? Here, correct option is option B, liver. Question number 11. Which part of the respiratory system carries air to the lungs? Here, correct option is option A, trachea. Question number 12. Which internal organ secrete insulin to regulate blood sugar? Here, correct option is option B, pancreas. Question number 13. Which part of the nervous system control involuntary action? Here, correct option is option B, autonomic nervous system. Question number 14. Which organ filter old and damaged red blood cell? Here, correct option is option B, spleen. Question number 15. Which organ is located in the thoracic cavity and surrounded by ribs? It is a very easy question. Here, right option is option B, heart. Question number 16. Which organ absorb most of the water from undigested food? Here, correct option is option B, large intestine. Question number 17. Which part of the brain control breathing and heartbeat? Here, correct option is option B, medulla oblongata. Question number 18. Which internal organ produce digestive enzyme and hormones? Here, correct option is option B, pancreas. Question number 19. Which system is responsible for transporting oxygen and nutrients? Here, correct option is option B, circulatory system. Question number 20. Which organ act as a barrier and first line of defense for the body? Here, correct option is option A, skin. Question number 21. Which organ produce bile to help in fat digestion? Here, correct option is option A, liver. Question number 22. Which internal organ help in maintaining the body's water balance? Here, correct option is option B, kidney. Number 23. Which part of the brain is responsible for thinking and reasoning? Here, correct option is Option A. Cerebrum. Question number 24. Which organ store glycogen for energy? Here, correct option is option B. Liver. Question number 25. Which part of the digestive system breaks down proteins using gastric juice? Here, correct option is option B. Stomach. Question number 26. Which internal organ helps in the production of red blood cell? Here, correct option is option A. Bone marrow. Question number 27. Which gland is called the master gland of the body? Here, correct option is option A. Pituitary gland. Question number 28. Which organ plays a key role in blood clotting by storing platelets? Here, correct option is option B. Spleen. Question number 29. Which part of the respiratory system helps in sound production? Here, correct option is option B. Larynx. Question number 30. Which internal organ converts ammonia into urea? Here, correct option is option B. Liver. Question number 31. Which gland regulates the body's sleep cycle by releasing melatonin? Here, correct option is option C. Pineal gland. Question number 32. Which organ forms urine by filtering blood? Here, correct option is option A. Kidney. Question number 33. Which part of the digestive system connects the throat to the stomach? Here, correct option is option B. Esophagus. Number 34. Which part of the brain maintains body temperature and hunger? Here, correct option is option A. Hypothalamus. Number 35. Which internal organ is responsible for producing antibodies? Here, correct option is option A. Spleen. Number 36. Which part of the circulatory system carries oxygenated blood from lungs to heart? Here, correct option is option B. Pulmonary vein. Question number 37. Which organ produces digestive juice that emulsifies fat? Here, correct option is option A. Liver. Question number 38. Which organ removes carbon dioxide from the blood? Here, correct option is option B. Lungs. Number 39. Which organ temporarily store urine before excretion? It is a very easy question. Here, right option is option number C. Urinary bladder. Number 40. Which gland produces adrenaline hormone during stress? Here, correct option is option B. Adrenal gland. Question number 41. Which organ helps regulate blood sugar by releasing glucagon? Here, correct option is option C. Pancreas. Question number 42. Which part of the brain connects the brain with the spinal cord? Here, correct option is option B. Medulla oblongata. Number 43. Which internal organ is most responsible for filtering toxin from the blood? Here, correct option is option A. Liver. Number 44. Which organ contains the alveoli where the gas exchange occurs? Here, correct option is option C. Lungs. Number 45. Which gland regulates calcium level in the blood? Here, correct option is option B. Parathyroid gland. Question number 46. Which part of the digestive system reabsorbs water and forms feces? Here, correct option is option B. Large intestine. Number 47. Which internal organ help in breaking down old hemoglobin? Here, correct option is option D. Spleen. Question number 48. Which organ act as pump in the circulatory system? Here correct option is option C, heart. Question number 49. Which gland release growth hormone in the human body? Here correct option is option A, pituitary gland. Question number 50. Which organ produce digestive enzymes such as amylase and lipase? Here correct option is option B, pancreas. তো এখানে আমি আমাদের হিউম্যানের যে বডির ভিতর থেকে যতগুলো আমাদের প্রবলেম আসতে পারে, এমসিকিউজ আসতে পারে, এখানে আমি কমপ্লিট করেছি। নেক্সট আমি বলবো যে হিউম্যান রিপ্রোডাক্টিভ সিস্টেম ফিমেলসের, ঠিক আছে। এরপরে আবার কোয়েশ্চেন নাম্বার 1 থেকে স্টার্ট করব ফিমেল রিপ্রোডাক্টিভ সিস্টেমের এমসিকিউজ। তো স্টার্ট করলাম আমি ফিমেল রিপ্রোডাক্টিভ সিস্টেমের এমসিকিউজ। কোয়েশ্চেন নাম্বার 1. Which hormone trigger ovulation in the menstrual cycle? Here correct option is option B, LH, luteinizing hormone. Question number 2. Which pelvis type is most favorable for vaginal delivery? Here correct option is option B, gynecoid. Question number 3. What is the normal duration of puerperium? Here correct option is option C, 6 weeks. Question number 4. Which hormone maintain pregnancy after implantation? Here correct option is option C, progesterone. Question number 5. Which part of placenta is maternal in origin? Here right option is option B, decidua bacillis. Question number 6. Which fetal presentation is most common? Here correct option is option B, cephalic presentation. Number 7. Which condition is termed as pregnancy induced hypertension? Here correct option is option B, BP less than equal to 140/90 mm of Hg. Question number 8. Which test confirm rupture of membranes? Here correct option is option A, nitrazine test. Number 9. Which is the most common cause of maternal mortality worldwide? Here correct option is option B, hemorrhage. Question number 10. Which is the best method to diagnose ectopic pregnancy? Here correct option is option A, ultrasound. Question number 11. Which vitamin prevents neural tube defect? This is a very easy question. Here right option is option B, folic acid. Question number 12. What is the usual time for quickening in primigravida? Here correct option is option number C, 20 weeks. Number 13. Which hormone causes relaxation of pelvic ligaments? Here correct option is option B, relaxin. Question number 14. Which drug is used for prevention of postpartum hemorrhage? Here correct option is option B, oxytocin. Question number 14. Which condition is also called toxemia of pregnancy? Here correct option is option A, preeclampsia. Number 16. Which fetal heart sound rate is normal? Here correct option is option C, 120 to 160 beats per minute. Question number 17. Which method is best for emergency contraception within 72 hours? Here correct option is option A, IUCD. Question number 18. Which is the safest period for surgical termination of pregnancy? Here correct option is option A, first trimester. Number 19. What is the most common site of ectopic pregnancy? Here correct option is option C, fallopian tube. Number 20. Which instrument is used to measure pelvic diameters? Here correct option is option A, pelvimeter. Number 21. Which hormone stimulate milk secretion? Here correct option is option B, prolactin. Question number 22. Which hormone helps milk ejection reflex? Here correct option is option B, oxytocin. Here, question number 23. Which type of twin result from fertilization of two ova? Here correct option is option C, dizygotic. Number 24. Which is the earliest sign of pregnancy? Here correct option is option A, amenorrhea. Question number 25. Which is the most common complication of prolonged labor? Here correct option is option C, postpartum hemorrhage. Number 26. Which hormone is measured in pregnancy tests? Here correct option is option C, HCG hormone. Question number 27. Which sign indicate imminent eclampsia? Here correct option is option C, epigastric pain. Question number 28. Which is the preferred incision for caesarean section? Here correct option is option B, transverse. Question number 29. Which is the gold standard investigation for infertility? Here correct option is option B, laparoscopy. Question number 30. Which maneuver is used in shoulder dystocia? Here correct option is option A, MC Robber. Number 31. Which vaccine is contraindicated in pregnancy? Here correct option is option C, rubella.